Nano Banana AI just changed everything for designers. I put this free AI tool to the test by creating 3 unique designs, and then used the same prompts in Canva to see the differences. If you're passionate about discovering new creative tools and Canva tips, hit subscribe and join me on this design journey. Alright, let's start by typing Nano Banana into Google search. Now grab a reference image and drop it into the prompt. Don't stress, just download the prompt from the description. Next, let's generate the image. Hold on a moment. Boom! The AI 3D figurine is ready. But why stop there? Let's add another variant. Oh no, insufficient credits. Alright, let's sign in and try again. This time, let's make the AI image slightly different for a fresh twist. I'm really curious to see how this prompt works on Canva. We've already tested Canva's AI video generator, and honestly, it looked surprisingly real. You'll see that in the next video. I'll leave the link in the description. Now, let's try the same image and prompt here. Whoa, this one actually looks like Ted from Boss Baby. Not perfect yet, but hey, it's a start. Hopefully, Canva AI image will keep improving in the future. Let's try out the character capsules prompt and see how it works. Wow, this one's beautiful, almost like a snow globe toy, with a mini version of Virat Kohli's batting style inside. Pretty cool, right? Give it a try yourself, and let me know in the comments what you think. Finally, let's try the time-based image generation prompt. Hold on a second. Wait, where am I? Oh wow, it looks like I'm in a car. Actually, no, not really. Let's try again. Okay, this time it looks pretty decent, with a nice brightness adjustment on the image. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This is the last AI image I tried, and wow, the result is amazing. I typed in popular actor in India, but it gave me someone completely different. Can you guess who it is? Drop your answer in the comments. Check out these 3 Nano Banana AI generated images and tell me in the comments which one you like the most. And if you'd love to see more AI related content in the future, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.